Hey everyone, welcome to the future of video creation. Imagine making stunning professional video in just a minutes with the power of AI at your fingertips. Introducing our state-of-the-art AI video creation platform. It's designed to be user-friendly and incredibly efficient. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned professional, you can create high-quality videos effortlessly. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create your product video using AI. Yes, so if you have any product that's mean your Amazon FBA product or Shopify e-commerce product or a print on demand product, and if you are struggling to create a videos, your product video, especially if you want to grow your sales and revenue, that's mean when you create a videos, the chances is you can upload different kind of social media platform like TikTok, YouTube shorts, reels video, and you will get lots of viewers. Okay, and if the viewers is really love this product, maybe they're gonna buy your product and that would be your business. Okay, so creating videos nowadays is really time consuming and a little bit expensive. So if you want to create by yourself, you must have a good equipment like good camera, lights, and you have must know the video editing. Okay, video editing is skill. But if you want to hire someone, a video editor, so it will cost maybe $100, like 50 to $100. But don't worry, I will show you a tools where you have to follow the 3 steps. Just grab your product URL and just paste it here, and you will see the platforms over there and just make it a video. Okay, so no more delay, let's get started. So before jump into main video, so if you are new here, videos, different AI tools, and how you can make money online, how you can start your YouTube journey, so check my videos. If you found the video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notification. All right, so today I will introduce the website. It's called oxolo.com. Okay, so here you can see the AI powered video creation, generate stunning videos in a minute. It's like just 3 steps. First of all, you have to sign up for free. Okay, so let's get started with sign up. So click on sign up for free, and you have to sign up with email address or password. All right, and if you have a Google account, definitely you have. Also, you can continue with Google, Microsoft, and continue with Amazon. Okay, so I have a Google account, so just I'm going to click continue with Google. So if you have multiple Gmails that log in, just click on any one of them. I'm just clicking my one of them Gmail account and click on continue. All right, so guys, you have to tick mark this terms and condition, and you have to accept their Oxolo terms and condition. Alright guys, so choose the plan that works for you. So here you can see the free option. We are going to click on get started with free version and 15 credits over there. You will get 15 credits. Okay, so get started. Alright, so new video creation follow is here. So there is a intro video, so don't need to watch, just click on cross and just click on here, and here you can see our first credit was 0, but right now we have 15 credits there. Welcome to Oxolo, nice to have you on board. Let's get started by creating your first video, and each video is just 5 credits. Okay, that's mean we can create 3 videos. Okay, so our first step is done. That's been we have just done our Oxolo account and set up everything. And the second step is let's grab your product URL. Okay, so if you have any Amazon FBA products or Amazon products, so I don't have any Amazon FBA, just I'm going to find the random products like going to bestseller, Amazon bestseller, and the best sellers in kitchen and dining. Okay, so let's grab this first one. Okay, number 1. Okay, also you have different kind of products over there, and this is really effective tools, I think so, because if you want to start your Amazon affiliate marketing business through TikTok and YouTube and other social media, so these tools will be perfect. So we have to try first before jumping the premium package like purchasing package. Okay, so just I'm going to open this product, and I'm going to click the product URL, just copy the product URL, and I will go back to the Oxolo account and just click on new video for 5. Okay, and you will see multiple templates. That's mean video templates. Okay, it's a auto edit, vival, and here you can see in the video like square, landscape, portrait. So what kind of videos do you want? It's a square and portrait. So if you want to upload in a TikTok account, so just click on portrait, okay, and you will see the different portrait videos over there. So if you love any portrait templates, just go for it. And I'm going to explore some like e-commerce and feature templates, portrait. Perfect. This is the section for e-commerce and complaints and HR onboarding and internal commons. Okay, so click on e-commerce. Okay, also if you want to create start from blank, so click on start from blank and make sure the template, okay, it should be portrait. And here you can see generate video from AI prompt. You can create like text to video, okay, so you have to write AI prompt over there. And we have already links, that's mean our product link, okay, so just I'm going to paste our product link here and type your video name. Okay, so I'm going to type, okay, so this is the video name, so it's too long. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this first one and just grab this. Okay, trade video name, URL, and another URL if you have, but we don't have multiple URLs. Just click on advanced settings and make sure the language, which is really important, so make sure the language is English. And the platform, that's mean where you want to upload is this, like YouTube ads, Snap, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, where any Amazon etc. So we are going to click on TikTok or keep it as any. Okay, so make it any. And audience, so if you have any targeted audience for this product, like what you have, so you can select from there. So I'm going to click on all, and the platform any, just keep it any. Okay, and here you can see setup manually, so we have already all setup done. And let's generate video for 5 credits. Okay, so click on that. All right guys, this is the second page. Here you can see the 0%, that's mean AI analyzing our product. Okay, and they will be extracting different kind of highlights according to our product. Okay, so let's see how they create the amazing product video. And this is first time I'm using Oxolo. If it is works really great, so I think I can recommend this website, this main AI tools for your affiliate business. So if you have any Etsy, Amazon, different kind of affiliate products, so you can just grab your product URL and just come here and just paste the URL and just create your videos. Okay, so let's see how they create the videos. All right guys, so our video is ready. Okay, and this is the watermark, and our product was a Stanley Quincer water bottle, and you can see the model, AI model over there. Okay, so let's see how it's
for all your
created.
hydration
Okay,
needs. Featuring advanced lid
Wow.
construction with a rotating cover for customizable sipping options. Crafted from 90 recycled BPA-free stainless steel, this tumbler is designed for durability and sustainability. Keep your Stanley Quencher clean effortlessly with its dishwasher-safe design. Say goodbye to single-use plastic bottles and enjoy your drinks cold or hot for hours with the Stanley Quencher H2.0.
okay, perfect. So if you want to edit this video, just click on edit video. All right, so this is the editor mode. You will see the each and every parts. So if you want to delete and if you want to add something here, you can add over there. Okay, and here you can see each and every part they have added AI text, and it's really amazing guys. And finally we have to download this. So how we can download this? Okay, all right guys, so here you can see our credits now 10. That's mean for each videos when you create, you will it will count 5 credits. Okay, so Stanley Quincer, our video is ready, so we can download. Just click on download button and you will see the with watermark free, remove watermark you have to pay 9.99. so as a beginner we don't have to pay, just click on watermark. Okay, so click on download. All right, so our video is already downloading over there. Okay, so I will open again and play how it's look like. Okay, all right guys, so this is our final result. So perfect. So this is how you can create your product video, like any product video, your e-commerce video, and you can create this. So you can try Oxolo, and I will recommend this. Let's have a try for 1 month. If you have any e-commerce business, if you have any affiliate marketing business, like if you want to start affiliate marketing, so you can create different kind of videos like this. Okay guys, so if you find video is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and comment below. So thanks for watching. I will come back with another tutorial, so stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.